Here's a chintzy little 3-jaw puller that I got at Harbor Freight. It was like a 4 or 5 pack. I've already broke a couple of them. This is the smaller one, and it hooks into there nicely. I got her nice and tight. Sprayed down some PB Blaster. You know, hopefully that helps press it out. Make sure you lubricate the threads on your puller. Makes them last a lot longer. All right, I got her tight. We're gonna see if this little 3-jaw puller is strong enough to take off the harmonic balancer. Here's our harmonic balancer puller, Chrysler. Bada boom, OEM, tools for professionals. We're gonna try it out on this Dodge Charger with 2.7. Here's our part number there. All right, so there's 3 splines in that harmonic balancer. We're gonna hook these into there. I'm gonna use one of these guys and put the bolt through the middle. There's the tool on the harmonic balancer there. Now, I can't get the one ear in. It almost goes over it. So I'm gonna give it a little smack. If I trim the edge with my grinding wheel just a little bit, I could put them all straight in on this one. But I don't feel like doing that. I think I can get it in just by smacking it. And this harmonic balancer has a little wider opening on these spokes in one spot than another, and that's the area we want to get it in. All right, we got all 3 of those claws in there. Pretty easy. Just gave it a little pop with a hammer to get that last one in. Now we got the right size little push rod here. You're gonna put it in there and line it up. The crankshaft bolt's obviously out of there. We just gotta start this guy in here. That push rod should center up with this bolt. We're just gonna keep on tightening until it gets tight. I like the way these little claws grip inside the harmonic balancer. And they're stiff so they don't wobble around. With a 3-ring or a 3-jaw puller, with your regular 3-jaw puller, it'll we failed using that guy on this because it was too chintzy. With these, the claws are stiff so they don't wobble around. We're almost there. It just got tight. We might have to use a longer push rod. Not sure. We'll see if this does the trick. Oh, I just felt the harmonic balancer pop. It's coming out. Nice and smooth, I like it. All right, we just bottomed out. So it looks like we're gonna have to use the next longer push rod on here. But the harmonic balancer has started to come out halfways. So this tool was real simple to use. I like it.